Hi, thanks for checking out another one of our videos. It's the first time you ever seen a video or heard of us. We appreciate you finding us. We've got probably, as of May 2021, when this video is being done, probably at 650, give or take, videos on YouTube right now. So we've got a bunch of videos on how to fix things, how to test them, and review videos and stuff. But that's what we do. We work on these electric fence boxes. This is going to be a how to repair a video, hopefully, on a Gallagher M1500, old style. There's our information right there. We work on a lot of old brands, old models. We also work on some of the newer ones too, of course. Alright, so this unit here, old style Gallagher M1500. You can barely see the sticker. It's kind of starting to peel off. It's probably a 25-year-old unit. Actually, the serial number on there is 99, so 1999 model, so it's 23 years old. So you can see this output board's all boogered up, so I need to pull that off. We've worked on this one before, but it looks like lightning got a hold of it, burned it up. So toss the board, so I got another one. Alright, got another board here. But as I can see, this crusty burnt stuff. I get probably lightning or something. That's where that output board plugs onto. Let's see if I can just see if we can get rid of it. Okay, this one's all ate up, so we're gonna just snip it off. And we're going to hardwire it. So I'll hardwire it. We're going to take a female spade connector, fully insulated one, and I'm going to get a bit of wire, and we're going to might have to do it to both the too small. Both the fence side and the ground side. This has a half power, which that'll be taken care of by the output board, and it's fine. No, a lot of people don't use it half power anyways. It was there for some reason. All right, we're going to bend this out just a little bit. I'm going to plug that onto here. Oh, come on. Come on, there we go. And get rid of that wire. And I'm just going to kind of cut it long and trim it back if I need to. And I'm going to do the same thing on the fence side. There's all kinds of things that can go wrong with these. You know, it's not a one repair, one size fits all sort of thing. You know, all kinds of things can happen to these. So the repair on this one might be completely different than what's wrong with yours. Okay, take this and snip it off. Clean it up. good. Cut this kind of long. All right, let's get this board installed. Let's see. Kind of tuck that down so. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to drill a hole. Use this one to start. I need to make it. Oh, God damn it! Do need to make it bigger. Shove that through like that. Alright, so this one, this wire, maybe we'll go ahead and drill a hole in this side too. Let's drill right there. This popped off, so I gotta put that back on there. Come on, get on there. Okay. Take this, shove the wire up to this little hole. Alright, so now I need to electrically solder it, like right there. So I'm gonna and this one we're going to electrically solder it right on top of there. So I'm going to cut this back a little bit, a little long. I think we'll be able to, yeah, I should be able to do that. Alright, so now I'm going to tin the wires on the solder, or on the some solder. Go with this one, get the same thing. Then I'm going to electrically, it's the same spot as right here on the hot side. Ow. So we're going to heat that lead up, add some solder to it, and then we'll take this wire, should just be able to blend the two together. Alright, that one's good. And this one we need to, it's going to take a moment to get the solder to stick to this one. It's pretty thicker metal, so it's going to take a minute to heat up and let solder get on there. Alright, that one didn't take as long as I thought it would. blend the two together. Alright, I think that took, let me double check that real quick. That was in place. Let's plug it in and see what it does. What should happen, this light should come on green. This light should flash red with every time it clicks and pulses. And if we did the soldering right and the wiring right, if we test across the fence and ground terminals, we should get a reading. Let me unplug it real quick. Let me $9,000 volts out of it. It's arcing underneath there. I need to fix that. I'm going to hook up a load to it with the tester. Right underneath there is arcing. So let's fix that. The way that we'll probably fix that is we'll bend it down and away from there. Create a bigger gap. Maybe even try to clean underneath there a little bit. Let's see. Let's put this back on here. Took the tester on there again and see. Line off so see it better. Alright. Not arcing down there no more, so we solved that little issue. You see we're getting 9,000 volts out of the thing, almost 8 point something. Alright, well this one's done. I didn't know if anything else was wrong with it because we did work on this before for a customer. And I said, like I said, I don't know if lightning caused this little issue or what. So we're gonna probably cover this under some kind of warranty form. This case is pretty boogered up. It didn't pack it real well. So let's put some tape over it or something, help it out. That's better. Alright, well that's it for this little video. It's pretty painless for the most part and a little tedious work, but not too bad. So hopefully you like this kind of stuff. You got a fence charger to be worked on. Happy to work on it for you. We work on all brands and ages of electric fence boxes. So until next time, we'll see you guys later on.